Alright guys, what's up? It's the Guru here, and you know that I'm a huge fan of the KTM 690 Enduro. I think it's the ultimate dual sport. It's the bike I would like to use to replace a bunch of bikes in my garage at some point in the near future. Well, we got a bunch of 701s, 2021 701s yesterday, which is, you know, the sister to the 690. It's the Husqvarna version. Most everything's the same. It really just comes down to look. Got a Supermoto here I want to show you. If you're interested, and I'm sure you've already seen it, they look the same as last year, but I just want to talk about it a little bit. So if you guys know me, you know I love the gray scheme. I put the gray fender on the front of my KTM. So when I saw this 701, just kind of freaking fell in love with this look. The problem is this gray look they only did on the Supermotos. The Enduros are still the blue and white look. And I thought maybe this was the same last year too, and I thought maybe they might change this for 2021, but they have not. So if you don't know, 2021 701 Enduros and Supermotos exactly the same, no change. On the KTMs, they did change the graphics. They did change the color of the plastics and the look, but on the Husqvarnas they changed absolutely nothing. So this is a really sharp color scheme, but I just wish they would have did this in the Enduro. So I assume you could buy this stuff and put it on the Enduro, but I don't know, that would probably be pretty expensive and not worth it. So this is a sharp bike. In my opinion, just as sharp or sharper than the KTM 690 Supermoto. Especially once you put some graphics or something covering up all this white. This would be a really sweet bike. And then it all just depends on, you know, the 701. On the Husky 701s, the seat comes all the way up here. So if you like that, I didn't like it as much when the seat had white on it, but without white, you know, why not? Super cool. So definitely dig this bike. Yeah, I just want to share that with you guys and some thoughts. I'm guessing we will see an update to this bike and the 690 for 2022 because of at least because of Euro 5 emissions. Not sure if it'll be a big update, but there'll be some kind of update. So yeah, 2021 Husqvarna 701 Supermoto. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.